Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your CRM pipeline for affiliate lead tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To update your CRM pipeline for affiliate lead tracking, start by logging into your CRM platform. Navigate to the pipeline settings within your dashboard. Identify the relevant pipeline you wish to update for affiliate leads. Review your current lead stages to see if they align with your affiliate tracking needs. If necessary, add new stages that reflect key milestones in your affiliate process. For example, consider stages like referral received, contacted, and conversion. Next, edit existing stages to ensure customize stage labels to be clear and actionable for your team. Once you've defined the stages, update the lead criteria to capture essential affiliate information. This may include affiliate source, tracking ID, and commission details. Ensure your CRM captures these fields effectively by adding custom properties if needed. Save your changes and return to the main dashboard. Create a new lead to test the updated pipeline. Input relevant affiliate information into the lead creation form. Move the lead through the stages to confirm everything is functioning correctly. Monitor how leads progress through the pipeline after your updates. Collect feedback from team members on the new tracking process. Make any necessary refinements based on their input. Document the updated pipeline process for future reference and training. Review your CRM analytics regularly to assess the effectiveness of the new tracking system. Adjust your pipeline as needed based on ongoing performance and strategy changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.